What's up, Keep It Cleaners all around the world? It's your boy Miguel, so clean with Keep It Clean Carpets and Towels, South Florida's #1 choice. What's the situation today? Customers cannot breathe inside their home. So I said, hey, why don't you just move outside and enjoy this fresh breeze that Miami has? Obviously, the humidity and the heat it was a joke, guys. Again, let's get back to the situation at hand. They can't breathe. So we actually, our first choice is to gas the whole house. Unfortunately, it's not going to happen. They work from home, literally work from home. And they were like, I know you have a solution. And we were like, of course, but we would have preferred to gas the whole house. But obviously, we're at the customer's demand. So we did the next best thing, which is using our Super ClO2 combined with our TiO2. Not to mention that he had some horrible stains on some Haitian cotton. Now, mind you, 98% of the cleaners out there run from Haitian cotton. 98% of the cleaners won't even touch Haitian cotton, but we did. You know why? Because we're master techs. When it comes to fine fabrics, when it comes to hard surface, we also ask to polish these floors, but right now it's not the time. We're here to take care of the situation. Allergies. And we came, we conquered, and we delivered. And you can see the customers are thrilled. They're happy. They're moving around. They could breathe. Because we brought results. And that's what we do. We're not here just chasing every client. We're looking for that particular client. Just like that particular client is looking for that best service. I repeat, that best service. Then we're the guys you want to call. Not only are we masters at what we do, but we take great pride at what we do. Hey, Walrus from San Francisco, you're going to be meeting the Dolphins soon. We love what we do. And this is what makes us the best in South Florida. Reviews don't lie. Yes!